In a narration found in Sunan ibn Majah, number 4137, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that true richness does not lie with many worldly possessions, but it lies with being pleased and content with life. It is important for Muslims to understand that being content and truly rich is not connected with how much wealth or worldly things, such as clothes, they possess. In fact, the happiness one obtains from buying something new, like new shoes, often passes away after a few days, and the desire to obtain happiness from something else begins to play on their mind. This desire to have more makes someone needy, which is another word for poor. A rich person, on the other hand, is satisfied with what they possess. This is the person who is not needy and therefore rich. This does not mean a person should not desire or obtain worldly things. It means they should not search for true happiness in those things. In order to maintain this attitude, especially during difficult times, a Muslim should act on the narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2513, which advises that a Muslim should observe those who possess less than them in order to avoid becoming ungrateful, and it prevents impatience during difficulties as well.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.